Vietnam, one of the most biodiverse countries on the planet, is home to a staggering number of plants and animals. There are 25 species of primates in Vietnam, most of which live in remote forests far from sight. But just minutes outside of Da Nang, Vietnam's third largest city, lives the queen of the primates, the red-shanked duke langur. As the sun rises over Son Cha Nature Reserve, one of the world's most beautiful primates starts their day. Named after its bright red legs, the endangered red-shanked duke is found only in Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Families typically consist of a single adult male, multiple females, and their offspring. They will join other families throughout the day to form large groups to socialize with and forage for food. As leaf-eating monkeys, duke langurs spend a significant portion of their day eating leaves, flowers, and fruit. Everything they need to survive is in the top of the canopy, and rarely will they descend to the forest floor. Living at such heights can be dangerous. A fall can lead to injury or even death. Babies cling tight to their mother as they swing from branch to branch. As they grow older, young dukes must learn the skills necessary to traverse the forest canopy. And there is no better time than when playing with their brothers and sisters. With playtime over, everyone heads back to the comfort and safety of their family. As midday is approaching, the family finds a cool, protected place in the canopy to escape the sweltering heat. It is here where they will rest and sleep through the hottest time of the day. While it can rain any time on Son Cha, from September to December, the monsoon arrives, bringing torrential rainfall that is critical for the lush tropical vegetation that these primates rely on to survive. As the sky is clear, they continue to move through the canopy. Using their long tails for balance, dukes are able to leap up to 20 feet at a time from tree to tree. Moving quickly, they cross a vast expanse of forest in no time. While occasionally stopping to eat, they are now on the search for a familiar tree to call home for the night. The sun begins to set on Son Cha Nature Reserve, bringing an end to the day for the red-shanked duke langur.
Trung tâm người Việt